Here, A is the daughter of her mother B, and so they share a parent-child relation. This can be represented as shown here. The vertical line points downwards. Of course, B is plotted at the top of the line, given that she is a parent. A is the child, and so A is plotted towards the bottom of the line, that is, towards the drop. And since A is the daughter of B, who is A's mother, they both are females. So we will put a circle around both A and B. Now moving ahead, we will consider that A is also the wife of C. This means C must be a male. We can represent this as a horizontal line with arrows at both its ends. And we will not forget to put a square around C. Well, Vidya, till now we have found out a bit about the B-A relationship. We know that it is a parent-child relationship with both B and A being females. We also know that AC is a husband-wife relationship in which C is the male. Of course, we know already that A is a female. Moving on to CD, we have a statement that begins by saying C's brothers D's. This means D is the brother of C. So the two are siblings. And D being a brother and so a male, we will put a square around D. And as for DE, the expression D's father is means they share a parent-child relationship. And E should be at the top of the line because E is the father of D. We should also put a square around E as E is a male. Here, Vidya, you will have to note that E, who is the father of D, must also be the father of C. This is because C and D are siblings. Now, the last statement begins by saying E's only grandson Ravi, so Ravi is a male. And point to be noted here is that we have drawn this conclusion as he is the only grandson. I repeat, grandson of E, and hence a male, and not because of the name Ravi, as the name only can't be the factor for deciding gender. It also means that Ravi is the son of either C or D, but it is given that D is unmarried. So Ravi has to be the son of C and A, right? And the question is, how is B related to Ravi? Can you tell me, Vidya?
As I can see, B is mother of Ravi's mother A. That means B is the mother of Ravi's mother. So surely B is maternal grandmother of Ravi.
Right. Absolutely right, Vidya. Here's another question.